Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Glen again. I know, second video in a day. I'm good to you guys. I haven't done many videos recently because my mum, bless her, is in hospital. She's had a heart attack and she's currently having a heart operation today. So I'm going to be there most of the evening. So I thought I'd actually crank out the videos during the day today. So I just wanted to share something with you that I didn't notice until I was actually recording my last video, which was my mining profits for the last week. I went over to Bitmain's website and there's a new product on there for sale, which currently is an undisclosed amount, although it shows as 99,999 US dollars, and that's called the Antbox. So what is the Antbox? Let's click onto it and have a little read, shall we? So it's a movable mining farm that you buy and you customize it how you want. So this is a ready-made farm for you to start up your own empire of mining, which actually reminds me a lot of the MV and ICO that we, as I say we, me and a lot of my team Bitglen obviously took part in, which obviously fell through as one of the ERC20 tokens that seem to be struggling at the moment, all of them anyway. But anyway, so this is saying that they'll create you a box and you can contact them and ask them what you want to input into it, like certain mining devices. It says, say goodbye to lengthy process of farm construction. One click to place your order, then follow 3 simple steps for your standalone portable mining farm. Purchase, receive, assemble. Sounds easy. Say goodbye to complex mining site selection. The Antbox is portable and can be easily relocated. That's pretty good. Say goodbye to inconvenient mining management. Free assembly and convenient transport, streamlining mining management like never before. Multiple Antboxes can be stacked horizontally, maximum of 3, and vertically maximum of 2. So that's pretty cool. If you've got the space and obviously you get a low electricity supply, you could end up quite quickly with a large mining operation, which would be awesome if mining was profitable at the moment. More advanced, more simple, more convenient. Small, compact, beautifully designed. Over 1 year of research and development by the Antminer team. Low power consumption, super mining farm in one portable box. Designed with global mining needs in mind. Minimalist and functional design, impressive interior volume, housing capacity, suitable for V9, S9, S9i and T9 Plus. I wonder why they didn't include the Z9, the Z9 Mini, and some of the other machines that they have there, but who knows. Encased in an integrated water curtain wall with an electric shutter, a dual function featuring delivering efficient and air circulation and optimum heat dispersion. Scientific configuration. The Antminer houses 4 modules which interface seamlessly for optimal mining performance, so that's quite good. I mean, Bitmain have this record of obviously creating machines that are actually really easy to set up and really easy to operate. So I'll give them that. What I'm interested in is what this water curtain is. That sounds pretty cool. See what I did there? But yeah, that would be awesome if they had a box that, you know, depending on the temperature where you are, didn't get as hot as, say, I'm in my shed at the moment, and it does get quite warm in here. High maximum capacity. Maximum capacity is 324 units of S9i mining machines. Simply connect the miners and begin operating. I love this cable management. I hate wires on show. I hate my little setup here because it's got wires everywhere. It looks really untidy. So this actually is a bit of wire porn here, so it looks pretty good. You've got the standard edition, package A, or you've got horizontal assembled 1 to 2, package B. Then you have 3, and then you have them stacked up with a little stairway, which is pretty awesome. That's package D, package E, package F. Flawless combination of technology and practicality, a revolutionary and innovative masterpiece by Bitmain, takes the world to a new era with you leading the way. Metal unit finishes enhances aesthetics and craftsmanship in the Antbox. Further customization available to match your buyer's requirements and preferences. Here we have some of the weight, so it's 3 tons. The colour is white. I wonder if they do it in black. External dimensions, and then you have the setup. The electricity demand, so the power input 486 kilowatts. Voltage is 380 volts, and electricity 731 amps. The Antbox should be located on flat ground. Sounds pretty common sense. For vertical Antbox stacking, a maximum of 2 Antboxes can be stacked vertically. The ground must be capable of supporting 11 tons. Water curtains, these may be removed upon buyer request. I wonder why people would want to remove them. Peripherals include stairs, transformers, cables, bridge racks. Cable distribution boxes are not included in the Antbox purchase. The Bitmain sales team may advise on how to purchase these items. Operating temperatures -33 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius. Operating humidity, if elevation is greater than 2,000 meters and a 3,150 kilovolt amp transformer is being used, the number of Antminer units installed in one Antbox unit must be decreased. Wah, wah, wah. If you plan to store an Antbox unit vertically on top of another, please be advised the Bitmain sales team which doors open direction is preferred. The door facing the inlet to Antbox. This box opens left hand by default. So obviously, if you was to buy one of these, you need to think where it's going to go, how how flat your land is, as well as structurally what it can support. You don't just want to put this in a field and it starts to sink. So you need to have some sort of good foundation there that can support 11 tons. You then need to think how you're going to access it. So if you've got a flight of stairs, how you're going to get into it. So if you were looking at, say, your garden or somewhere, you need to figure out this space before you obviously contact them and ask for a price. But this brings me back to the point, even if they optimize these so that they're really efficient, the S9J, which is their most efficient Bitcoin miner to date, you're looking at $361. It achieves 14.5 terahashes. I don't see how this can be profitable in any way unless Bitcoin goes up in price, but therefore you are better off holding £100,000 worth of Bitcoin. Because these Antminer S9s are currently running at a loss. Now, even if they optimize them, the electricity, the way it's distributed, and the way that the software and the hardware just combine together, and the temperatures, and everything's really optimal. Currently, they're mining at about $1. Let's have a look, actually. So currently, out of that list of ASIC miners that they listed on their website, the most profitable one being the Bitmain Antminer S9J at 14.5 terahashes. That is actually mining you minus $1 a day. Now, let's just say that they optimize this in some way where it does start earning you each machine, each unit, I don't know, plus $10 a day. Which would be quite an achievement if they could do that. But let's say you've got, I don't know, 10 of these machines, or even 100. That means you're earning $100 a day, or even $1,000 a day. It's going to take you so long to make your money back on this machine, this Antbox, if you like. If you're thinking of creating a mining farm anyway, then maybe this is worth looking at. Obviously, it all depends on the final cost, I suppose. I may contact Bitmain and actually ask them, look, I want to create this, this, and this. How much would it cost me? And see what the process is like and what the actual figure is they come back with. But I just can't see how this is going to be profitable. Even if Bitcoin was to go back up in price dramatically, you were probably better off holding Bitcoin in the first place. So really what we need to see from Bitmain is a machine that can actually mine profitable. A bit like the Z9s are and the Z9 minis are at the moment. But either of those machines are not included in the list of products that can go into one of these ant boxes. So I don't see how it's going to be profitable in any way whatsoever. So there you go, there's my thoughts. What do you think of this new Antbox? Would you be buying one? Is there anyone out there that's actually going to order one of these? I'd love to hear from someone who is actually thinking about getting one of these. Please comment down below, or you can find me in the Telegram group chat. Again, the link to it is in the description. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.